What's up mga ka-integer? And it's me, it's TinJon's 06 and welcome to another episode of the TinJon's Tech Talk. Ano nga ba pag-uusapan natin ngayon? Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is for the gamers and also for developers na rin, no? Sa mga hindi nakakaintindi nito, I will explain it hanggang sa makakaya ko, ha? You know me. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is the Deep Learning Super Sampling or in short, DLSS. Kasi nabasa ko noong mag-upgrade ako or mag-update ako ng Nvidia drivers ko sa PC na to is magkakaroon na daw ng DLSS sa Unity. So, yung mga Unity developers natin dyan, pwede nang i-implement ang DLSS or Deep Learning Super Sampling ng Nvidia doon sa laro mo na dine-develop mo. And I expect greater frame rates, greater quality, ganon. May mga demo sa Nvidia YouTube page na ililink ko sa description kung ano yung comparison ng native resolution na may anti-aliasing and DLSS. So, ililink ko sa description yun. So, ano nga ba ang DLSS? It's an image upscaling technology developed by Nvidia and exclusive only, okay, sa Nvidia graphics cards lang. Wala siya sa AMD Radeon graphics for real-time use in select video games. Yes, you heard that right. Selected pa lang mga games na may DLSS. Tapos, they use deep learning to upscale lower resolution images to higher resolution for display on higher resolution computer monitors. For example, if you have a 1440p monitor, syempre, ang gagawin ni DLSS, i-upscale niya yun to 1440p. Real-time, tapos, using deep learning pa or neural network. Tapos, as of December 2020, this technology, yun nga, is available only to Nvidia cards. Pero, ano nga bang Nvidia cards ang available ang DLSS? It's only available on GeForce 20 series, the RTX 20 series, and the RTX 30 series na mahirap hagilapin ngayon kasi shortage, chip shortage, GPU shortage, whatnot, which is tinalakay ko nung sa podcast ko. Pero anyway, dun mo lang siya mahanap ang DLSS. Wala siya sa 16 series, wala rin siya sa 10 series, which is yung video card ko, 10 series. Gusto ko na mag-upgrade. So, ano nga ba ang mga versions nito? Meron tatlong iterations nito. Actually, dalawa lang naman ang major versions nito. Pero, meron nitong tatlong iterations. The DLSS 1.0, the 2.0 first iteration, and the 2.0 second iteration. Ano ba ang pinagkaiba nun? Sa first version, using AI and specifically trained for certain games only, including Battlefield 5 and Metro Exodus. Doon lang siya. First version ng DLSS yun. Meron lang siyang train for specific games only. Yun. And yung first iteration ng 2.0 also referenced as the version 1.9. I don't know bakit tinawag ng Nvidia na ganon. 1.9 pero 2.0. Back. Using an approximated AI of the in-progress version 2.0 running on the CUDA shader cores and specifically adapted for control. Doon siya ginamit yung first iteration ng DLSS. Yung second iteration naman ng DLSS 2.0 ay ginamit na yung tensor cores, hindi na CUDA shader cores. And it trained generically. So, okay. Paano nga ba nagwo-work ang mga algorithm nito? According to this Wikipedia article, sa 1.0, Nvidia explained that DLSS 1.0 worked for each target game image by generating a perfect frame, quote-unquote, perfect frame using traditional super sampling. Then, ite-training sila ng neural network on these resulting images. Tapos, may second step pa sila na the model was trained to recognize alias inputs on the initial results. Make sense? So, tingnan natin, himayin natin, right? Yung 1.0 is mag-generate siya ng perfect frame using the traditional super sampling, which is somehow taxing. Alright. Tapos, ite-train siya ng neural network o yung deep learning machine ng, I don't know, neural network, basta. Ite-train siya doon. Yung mga resulting perfect frames na yon. Tapos, yung last step na yon, yung model na yon, will train to recognize alias inputs, yung may mga jagged edges sa mga model. For example, yung mukha ni Ganyu na pag walang anti-aliasing, para may mga jagged edges dito sa gilid-gilid. Nakita ko yon nung enough ng best friend ko yung anti-aliasing sa Genshin Impact. And it's corny! Ang pangit! Kaya on natin yung anti-aliasing kapag kaya ng device nyo, ha? So, okay. Ayun yung first DLSS. Generate perfect frames, ite-train sa neural network, at i-apply sa alias inputs. Yun ang algorithm ng 1.0. Sa 2.0 naman, ito yung algorithm. So the neural network is trained by Nvidia using ideal images naman of video games of ultra high resolution on supercomputers and low resolution images of the same games. The result is stored on the video card driver. It is said that Nvidia uses DGX1 servers to perform the training of the network. So, ibig sabihin, ito hindi siya nag-generate ng perfect frame. Ito ay gumagamit ng ideal images. Yung kaaya-ayang mga imahe ng laro in ultra high resolution and the low resolution of the same games. For example, ite-train niya yung Genshin Impact in low resolution and ite-train niya yung high resolution mode ng Genshin Impact. Then, pagsasamahin niya yon, then, may second step na. I-store yan sa video card driver para, syempre, i-deploy sa RTX cards mo. So, another one, the second step is the neural network stored on the driver, compare the actual low resolution with the reference and produce the full high resolution result. So, ibig sabihin, for example, again, Genshin Impact ang example natin. So, meron kang low resolution image ng Genshin Impact dito o yung graphics ng Genshin Impact. Well, i-compare ng neural network yon. Tapos, i-produce niya yung full high resolution depende sa settings ng DLSS mo. Kasi meron tayong wala akong RTX card. So, take this with a grain of salt. So, meron tayong tinatawag na DLSS performance and DLSS quality. So, sa DLSS performance, ipa-prioritize niyo yung DLSS na prioritize niyo yung frame rate instead of the quality na. Pero I think wala naman sigurong quality loss doon na pag I think. Tapos yung DLSS quality, of course, i-upscale niyo yung images in full high resolution. Depende na kung ano yung algorithm na gamit mo. DLSS 1.0 ba or DLSS 2.0. Iyon. So again, tapos yung mga inputs used by the neural networks are the low resolution alias images rendered by the game engine and the low resolution motion vectors from the same images also generated by the game engine. Tapos yung motion vectors na pinroduce ng game engine, example Unity, tells the network which direction objects in the scene are moving from frame to frame in order to estimate what frame will look like. So, ibig sabihin, yung neural network ay, yung motion vectors pala will tell the neural network kung ano yung susunod na image na i-render ng DLSS. So, last na to, ito na yung architecture. DLSS or Deep Learning Super Sampling is again only available on RTX 20 series and RTX 30 series, which is wala ako, 10 series kasi to, GPUs, and dedicated AI accelerators called Tensor Cores. Yes, hindi RT cores ang gumagamit doon, hindi RT cores ang gumagana doon. Tensor cores ang gumagana sa DLSS. Ang RT cores ay pang ray tracing only. So, Tensor cores are available since the Nvidia Volta GPU microarchitecture. So, ibig sabihin, yung Titan V pala ay merong Tensor cores. Ang DLSS ay nakakatulong na i-upscale ang inyong laro intelligently. Pwede niya i-priority ang frame rate or pwede niya i-priority yung quality. Kasi, yun nga, sinabi ko kanina, meron nga tayong DLSS performance and DLSS quality. Pero hindi ko matetest yun ngayon kasi wala akong RTX cards to begin with. Wala akong RTX 2060, 2060 Super. Wala akong kahit anong ganun. So, I'm stuck with the Pascal architecture na walang DLSS and RT cores. So, alright, yun lang. So, ano bang mga DLSS supported games? I will link it to the description, yung Wikipedia article na list of games with DLSS support. Pero yung iba dito, nilalaro ko. For example, F1 2020, Fortnite. Tapos, meron pang iba dito na hindi ko alam. At meron pa dito na alam ko pero hindi ko mabili kasi ang mahal tapos kailangan ng magandang specs ng PC. For example, Watch Dogs Legion, PUBG, and ano pa? Of course, Cyberpunk 2077 and Crysis Remastered. Oh my God, Crysis Remastered. So, may DLSS support siya. Ano ang masasabi niya sa DLSS? Meron ba kayong RTX cards na pwedeng i-try tong mga DLSS na to? Mga iteration ng DLSS na to, specifically 2.0. Anong performance? Meron bang issues? Or okay lang naman? So, it's me, it's TinJon's 06. See you on the next one. Espero cool kami, Benti. Ciao!